Welcome to our video on MSD 365 F&O, brought to you by Hope Infotech. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, or D365 F&O, is a leading ERP solution. It streamlines financial management, supply chain operations, and business processes. Learning this platform opens doors to high-demand ERP jobs. D365 F&O is an ideal choice for businesses seeking a powerful ERP solution that streamlines operations and reporting. Professionals can gain in-demand skills, boosting career growth and opportunities. Online training helps learners master enterprise resource planning, automation, and analytics. D365 F&O offers advanced features for financial reporting, budgeting, and real-time insights. Key expertise areas include financial management, supply chain optimization, and automation and analytics. The benefits of D365 F&O include improved financial management, streamlined supply chain operations, and real-time insights. Businesses boost productivity and make faster, smarter decisions. Benefits by the numbers include ERP automation tools and scalable cloud solutions. Career paths include D365 F&O functional consultant roles, focusing on ERP implementation, configuration, and optimizing financial workflows. Technical developer roles focus on customizing solutions, managing integrations, and improving system performance. Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O is a powerful ERP solution that aids in digital efficiency and career growth. Online training equips professionals with skills in ERP, automation, and analytics, preparing them for high-demand job roles. Investing in D365 F&O ensures long-term success. Thank you for watching this video. You can reach out to us at +919 951 609 609. Visit our website at www.hopeinfotech.com or email us at info@hopeinfotech.com.